Abobi follow who no road. Even the follow who no road. Brother follow who no road.
Now, on this video, on today's topic, we're going to be posting our services, our plans, and our banners, and probably favor FAQs and reviews, but that should be a little task for you. As you are learning, you need to practice. So I would advise you use the testimony tab and frequently asked question and answers tab and practice what we've shown you in how to post and how to upload data and images on this product. Beautiful. So today we're talking about services. So I have to go to the services. You've noticed there's actually a service here, but the topic of this company is not insurance, and as such we're deleting everything here so we can make room for the crypto and investment topic as our service. Okay, so I create a new service. Beautiful. Everything came out accordingly. Nice. You see? Okay, so I go to a document. Do not be filled. We always use our document. There is always our document to use. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. So I go and copy this. So throughout the rest of this video, I'm just going to be copying and pasting content that has been pre-arranged for the sole purpose of this video. I took my liberty to download some images already. Okay, that way we could have what we want in the right size. Size is important. So on another video, I'm going to go into details on how to edit images without being a designer or knowing so much about graphics. Where at least you can edit images to match your application easy. But that will be on another video. Okay, now I've posted the subtitle as you saw. Now I'm posting the body of this service. Okay, copy it, come to the body here. I click on the paste button so that this box can pop up. Remember, the paste button is just below source. The first clickable button below source, that's the paste button. Okay, now this is done. I create this service. So I'll go ahead and create two other services like so. Okay, so we could quickly do that, and then the rest you can do by yourself. Okay, so the next one is infrastructure development. Oh, nice. Just have to copy this, go to stuff, paste it here, come down here, take off this. Now, because you're copying and pasting doesn't mean you shouldn't be mindful of punctuations and respect for your text by putting in the capital letters. Okay, so I put in this. I feel like that's a good match. I'll go to the description. I'll copy this. Come down here and I'll paste this here. Then I'll go to the body. Now I needed to check something and it's correct, it's accurate. So I go to the body, select all this, Sorry guys, sometimes the Google Docs tend to freeze up. Figure this is a bug that they should fix from the end. Okay, now copy this and go to our page, click on the paste box again, and paste it here. Okay. Okay, now on the next one, now we could always move over to see what we've done already, but let's continue. Let's do the last one before we move over. Okay, and we have real estate management as a third service. I copy the title. Go here, click on the services quickly, click on new services quickly, put in the text, choose a real estate file that I prepared earlier, which is this. Beautiful. Down here, select on this, copy this, paste it here, and then I'll go copy the body. You can only just drag down this from here without needing to do it additionally. Copy. Okay, so an assignment from this video is someone should do, or you can do, the last service, the fourth service. Okay, and that's the assignment for this video, primary assignment 1. Beautiful. Now we head over to our plans, because that's the next thing we are supposed to put in check. Okay, and the first thing I want to do is to go view what we've done so far. Okay, so everything kind of came out perfectly, as you can see. Beautiful. Oh, just beautiful. Super beautiful. I want to go to the banners to make sure I put in correct banners. So now this is wrong. But the first one could be not wrong. Okay, let's just add one to it. So that way, well, whichever one is wrong, our client might still like it the way. So we go to the banners. You see how easy it was to get to the banners. Okay, so the banners match accurately. So all I have to do is add images to these banners. This is very important. So you just have to edit it. Now you have to make sure that the image is right under the right size for this, else it won't be good. It has to be right about the right size, which is this I did last. And you update this. I want to update the second one. You see our images are appeared here using Amazon. Okay, now we have to pick out an image that we can use for this. That'll be good for it. I think this one is good. A little bit date the banner. And after this is done, we would like to view it and then head over back to the administration to do the plans. So what we have to do left, or what we have left to do right now in this video, is the plans. But I would want to see the beauty that I just uploaded. So I'll refresh. Oh, beautiful. You see the image appears in the background and is properly arranged to match this topic. So this is done. Now we want to do the plans, which are this. So to do that, I want to head back here, create a new plan. Okay. So I go down, find our plan. Okay, on star pack. Oh, beautiful. So the minimum and the maximum. Well, let's start imputing. And let's check. Was the 1 star? Though it was in text. So 1 star pack. So the opening amount is 300. And the plan name, now the duration of this plan, as you can see, it's weekly at 7%. So I have to go down here and click on weekly at 7%, minimum 300 and maximum 399, 999 as is. Then I come down here, paste this, see everything is arranged properly already, and I create this plan. Nice. So I'll go on to the second and third one immediately. So 2 star pack starts at 4,000 and ends at 12,000, 1299. So let's check weekly, 20% weekly, 11% weekly. So it seems all these plans are weekly, but that's set by by the owner of the app. So we do not have control over the input we are putting right here right now. Now go back to the plans, create the next plan. Three star pack. So I'll put in 3. I want to check 13,000 and 29. 3. None. Weekly. 13,000. 29. 999. I'll paste this in. And I'll create the plan. Now with this, we just made 3 plans. Okay. We could add a 4th plan, but it's just not profitable for our design yet. So let's go look at what it looks like. and then click on refresh. And you see the plans that we just put up there right now. Devotion. Beautiful. So, in our next video, we're going to be talking about to post on the blog and how to post our reviews. And like I said, it will be an assignment to handle the favorite asked questions and answers. And it did every other thing that's
Oh, but on this is when you find out. If you follow splendid furniture,